Hey, sitting here in my car, wasting time before my last final. I do that sing-songy thing a lot, don't I? I do. Anyway, got one final left, and then done. Done with school. Like, for good. Handed in my paper at 1. And I'm done. I'm just gonna rest this on the steering wheel here. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. I'm happy though. I've finally moved on to the happy medium between sad and excited. I'm really hoping no one comes park next to me right now. I can't believe it. We're graduating in 3 days, Kelsey. 3 days. I guess I'll see you on Sunday. Bye. I'm just gonna do this once before anyone sees me.